Siguro I'll start. Paano kayo makahanap ng party in-game, you know? So, pwede kayong mag-start dito sa Frontera. By the way, welcome to my channel. So I hope this tip or this guide would help you, especially in ET, Endless Tower, and Endless Cellar. So, sometimes mayroong mga party dito na naghahanap, but again, very rare lang siya. Okay, so I'm editing it right now. So this is the endless tower. So functionally, it's easier to complete versus yung endless cellar. You know, it also has 100 floors going up. So package siya with the tower. And then we also have the endless cellar. Ito naman more on pababa siya. You know, in the cellar. So, if you see a pouring that's saying quest, ibig sabihin, open yung quest for you. And if you see that, ayan, there's a quest, then again, open siya, ang Endless Tower for you. It's just that it's only available per week server time, you know. Okay, so, very how to join Endless Tower. So, usually, meron mga parties dito Philippine time, mga Sundays or Saturdays since most of the players here are weekends talaga yung availability nila. But there are times na may weekdays na available, but very rarely would that happen. Now, medyo suntok sa buwan kung dito kayo maghahanap ng mga party. So I would suggest you go through Discord of UARO, either look for a party, meron na kaano dito ng mga endless tower or endless cellar, or you may also join guilds. So just as an example, um, I'm actually from Arcana by the way, but for the sake of reference, since I'm already in Arcana, let me check here at Wasabi, you know. Okay, so just click here. Ito meron silang mga ano nila, advertisements nila or chat. You may ask them dito if they're willing to recruit or they're willing to join. Um, ayan, so nakalagay naman dito. Ayan, so kung ano yung kailangan nila. Now, support classes, this would include yung dancer, which ano natin, pinapakita natin. Alright, so what to do? Look for they're close for the recruitment. So, okay, let's see. Clowns. Hmm. See if I have a Discord. Okay, so you can join their Discord. Yeah, so just click on join. Right, similar to Arcana, okay, just as an example as well. Arcana. If you want to join minor, it's actually for pre-trans WoW, but alright, so joining Arcana, so interested, PH. Okay, so yeah, you may join here. Then say you're on the Discord right now, you should be able to see signups. So, these are the scheduled runs. Usually, ganito yung ginagamit ng mga other guilds as well. So, select your class. I will register as there's already a professor, but I'll register as a professor since I do have a professor as well. And I can also register You have a gypsy. You can also register as a gypsy, or depending on which character you would you're comfortable with. But again, yung mga ano dito, the characters that doesn't need to be fully geared are gypsies, minstrel, and professor. High priest as well. Hindi naman sila need na fully geared, but it's definitely good to have these characters be geared as well. But it's not necessary at this point in time. Right. So once you're done with this, or once you have registered, then you just wait for the scheduled run. This actually shows you the local time now. So for me, it's Sunday, December 21 at 1 a.m. in 4 days. Okay, so there you go. So naka-register na kayo. Alright, so I'll start from here and I'll move on to the next. Okay, so ang importante dito while doing the run is ensuring na you flash the two songs na sinabi ko on the first part, no? So, Fortune's Kiss and the other song would be Service for You. So, basically, these are the two songs na you would have to play all over. It actually improves two things, no? So for Fortune's Kiss, it improves the luck and the crit damage of your team party. And then, dun naman sa Service for You, it lessens the SP consumption which you should need kasi otherwise ma-drain yung professor nyo kaka-provide ng SP and such, and it won't be as effective as much. Now, if you notice, hindi ako gumagamit ng amp or adaptation because I just switch weapons. So, kapag nag-flash ako ng song, let's say for example, Service for You, um, after nung malagyan lahat, or at least I know na malagyan lahat, I switch over to Fortune Sword or the knife, you know. And then switch back ulit to the weapon na whip. Any whip will do actually. Switch doon and then flash song ulit. So, ganyan lang gagawin ko until paakit ako ng tower or such. So, I will do a fast forward. I will do a fast forward for you guys para makita nyo kung ano yung dulo, or you'd be able to see how it works until floor 100, and then babalikan ko kayo once we're at floor 100 already. Okay, as you can see, we're actually preparing dito sa part na to. Kasi ito yung mahirap na MVP, isa sa mga mahirap na MVP na kalabanin, no? And also, I reached 90% na siguro, kaya binalik ko na sa storage. But you can actually leave as long as may isa sa inyo na matitira. So, aside from Panacea, which is yung kailangan nyo, as I mentioned in the first part, you also need to have lots of mercenaries. Yung mercenary, probably we can discuss that a little bit after na lang siguro. But basically, yung the more kasi na nakastack kayo at mas marami kayong tao kay Ifrit or dun sa mga MVPs na gumagamit ng Earthquake, mas ma-ensure nyo na magso-survive yung party nyo. Kasi yun yung pinaka-importante, makasurvive yung party nyo. So, later, we'll see how we battle Ifrit. We're here at floor 100. So, ito, wala kayong gagawin dito but just to flash songs again, including drums. So, ayan. Until matapos itong MVP. Then, after done, hindi pa siya tapos. That's floor 100. Pero meron pang monster sa floor 100, which is the twin knot seizure. And as you can see, you get instructions at ayun na nga. So basically, before I end pala this, just a reminder, there are different rules per guild on how they divide the loots. For us, we divide it by anything less than 3 million that you get, and it's an even share. Keep it. Other than that, lahat ng 3 million and up would be shared to the guild, and you can actually buy them at a discounted price. Pero kung walang bibili nun, then you can sell it in the market. And then whatever it is na ma-earn nyo will be divided, split across all team guild members and party joiners. Alright, that's about it. Thank you so much and rock on!